Morning. Today we are doing a DIY food tour on the Isle of Man, starting with Glen Helen, and we're going to have chips, cheese and gravy here, which is a very popular dish.
Hello. Hi. What are you having?
Chips, cheese and gravy, please.
Glen Helen is one of our favourite places to go for walks, and also has these really nice camping pods with jacuzzis that you can stay in. We are starting today with chips, cheese and gravy at Glen Helen campsite. Let's try it out. Is it good? It's salty and savoury and really, really delicious.
Can I eat the last bit?
Yes, go for it. Was that good, Julia? After filling ourselves up on chips, cheese and gravy, we then drove to Peel to buy some kippers. We have now come to Moore's Kipper factory to buy some kippers, and kippers are very traditional Manx food. They are smoked herrings. Oh, I can smell smoke.
You can get less than a box.
Oh, that's a good point.
Oh yes, yeah, there's some. Yes. Hi.
Nice afternoon.
It certainly is.
The ones that are easier to
obviously
eat.
Those will be easier to eat, but I would
Yeah.
don't. You always won't get all the bones out of that, surely.
We get some fine bones in here.
Yeah.
Very fine bones in here.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, maybe
You want a
those.
pack like that?
Yeah, those might look good.
Can we have the pack thing? That's it. That'll be fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Something that big size.
Thank you very much.
We are now in Peel and we're going to walk along the harbour. Are you cold? Come on, let's walk then.
Okay, let's go.
It stinks. And what on earth happened to that boat?
Want then some scallops, Queenies.
Yeah, Queenies.
Hi.
Fresh. We need a fresh bit too, go.
Okay, wonderful. Do you want them in a salad or do you want them in a bath or how do you want yours?
No, just
Fresh
yeah.
fried Queenies.
Yeah.
Could I have a portion of the fresh fried Queenies then, please? Is there the Queen Scott? Is that basically what it is? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, the king is the big, yeah, and then there's a Queen scallop.
So big and round on the top and bottom.
Yeah, okay. Yep, that's the Queen scallop basically.
Okay. Thanks.
It's £7. Thanks.
Go. That's great, thanks very much.
Thank you.
Do you want to sit here?
Yeah, sit down. We have come to a little fish bar in Peel. I can't cook scallops. I'm not very good at that. But this fish bar sells really, really yummy ones. Cheers. I don't know. What do you think? Is that good?
They taste like peas.
They taste like peas. I don't think they taste like peas.
And probably beans.
They're very fishy. They taste like scallops. Well cooked scallops. Do you not think they taste fishy?
No.
No, not at all.
Very fishy.
That's I don't actually know what they taste like. They taste kind of like vegetables, but also kind of like fishy vegetables.
Are they delicious?
But they taste like fishy vegetables.
Next on our food tour was the Lease farm, where we stopped to go to the shop to buy some local Manx ingredients for our picnic in Yarble. Okay.
That one.
Yeah, let's try vintage shade or chilled cheddar. Which one does sound better? Let's get the oak smoked.
Oak smoked. Which is
No, that one.
Oh, sorry, that one.
Okay, so that's the Allemande Creamery's cheese. We're almost in Jabel. This is where we're gonna have our Manx picnic. And this beautiful spot at Jabel. That doesn't look very safe. I hope you're not gonna cut out in your leg.
There we go. Grab a bit there.
We are now in Jabel and we've got our nose bread that we bought from a local bakery. This is a Manx seeded sourdough bread and it is delicious and it's our favorite bread, and we don't eat any other breads. And we've also bought from Lease farm, we bought loaghtan lamb salami. Loaghtan sheep have 4 horns. They are very odd looking sheep. Yeah, but we'll see, they taste delicious. We've also got Allemande Creamery's oak smoked cheddar, really good cheese, and it makes a really good picnic, especially in this beautiful spot in Jabel. Julia's not very impressed. It's a very fatty meat, loaghtan lamb.
Now I wanna.
But it tastes good, works well together. The cheese is the best part, and the bread actually, but that cheese is so good. You wanna cut it up?
I'm cold.
You're cold.
Even with my dress and my jumper over my knees.
Yeah.
My feet
Do you
are
not have a taste?
cold. Okay.
Now come to Port Erin to Foraging Witness, and they make local wines. This one's honey, and I'll have a try. That's really nice. That tastes like honey. They've done a pop-up bar this week and it's attracting a lot of people. I don't know what else to say. That's so awkward. But it's really good. Very tasty. Tastes like honey.
Good.
Try it, yeah.
I'll try it in a second.
It's gone really cold as well.
Yeah, it has a bit.
Chilly. I'm now going to cook the kippers that we purchased at Manx Kipper factory. One of the ways to cook kippers is with some butter in a pan. So that's what we're going to do. Oh, smells good. Alright, so now that the butter has melted, I'm going to add kippers to the pan.
That's really good.
What does it taste like?
Fishy.
Is it fishy?
Yeah.
Is it smoky?
Mhm.
Is it good?
Mhm. Definitely.
Are you gonna eat the whole thing?
Let my stomach decide that. I'm eating kippers.
I hope you enjoyed this Max food tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos. Leave a comment if there are any other foods that you would recommend to try out on the Isle of Man.